Traditional Chinese medicine has used the combination of honey and cinnamon for thousands of years, and this mixture has a long tradition of use as a homemade medicine. Honey is one of the healthiest foods on the planet, while cinnamon is one of the oldest spices known to people. The cinnamon essential oil and the enzyme found in honey, which produces hydrogen peroxide, are the two most powerful antimicrobial components of this combination that prevent the growth of fungi and bacteria. This potent mixture offers numerous health benefits and is extremely helpful in the following cases. Cold. To treat a chronic cough, common cold, and nasal congestion, you should take a tablespoon of honey with 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon for 3 days. Flu. Honey contains a natural ingredient that effectively destroys viruses and prevents influenza. Cholesterol. In a cup of tea, add 2 tablespoons of honey and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, and drink the mixture. It will reduce cholesterol levels by 10% within 2 hours. Arthritis. To cure chronic arthritis, drink the following mixture twice daily, in the morning and in the evening. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder in a glass of warm water. Boost the immune system. The regular consumption of this mixture will boost the immune system and prevents viruses and bacteria. Stomach ache. You should regularly consume a mixture of cinnamon and honey to alleviate stomach aches and treat ulcer issues. Acne. Mix cinnamon with some honey to prepare a paste and apply it to the acne at bedtime. You should wash it off the next morning. Gallbladder infection. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of honey to a glass of warm water, and consume it daily to kill microbes in the gallbladder. Cancer. Scientists have recently found that this combination can treat stomach cancer. Therefore, in this case, one should consume a mixture of a tablespoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of honey daily for 3 months. Heart disease. Prepare a paste of cinnamon and honey and spread it on a slice of bread every morning. This will lower cholesterol levels and prevent a heart attack. Hair loss. In the case of hair loss or baldness, mix a tablespoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture on the scalp and leave it to act for 15 minutes, and rinse. Weight loss. You should boil some cinnamon powder and honey in a glass of water and consume it on an empty stomach 30 minutes before your breakfast. This will help you lose weight in an easy and fast way. How to prepare it? You should put some honey in a pot and heat it. Add cinnamon and wait until you get a thick, caramel-like mixture. You should take a teaspoon of this mixture 30 minutes before meals.